Hello guys, welcome back for a new video. I am Brian, thanks for tuning in. I have been experimenting with pearl pours. As you can see, it's unsuccessful. So I'm gonna try it again and see what happens. What you need to do is make sure your pour over paint is super thin. So with that being said, I'm using 24 karat gold from DecoArt. These are the colors I'm using. I am using sapphire from DecoArt's Americana Metallics. And I'm using metallic red from Artist Loft. Now, these paints are mixed. 30 grams of Floetrol, 30 grams of paint, 10 grams of Liquitex Pouring Medium Gloss. My pour over paint is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in the black. This is 1-to-1 mixture of paint to Floetrol and then a lot of water. So I would equate this to very thin, like Dutch pours. Some people say it should be a little bit thicker. I don't know. As you can see, this first try did not get cells everywhere. It just came up certain places. So I think what I'm gonna do is keep these paints thick. And this pour over paint, I'm just gonna make sure that I tilt enough off quick enough. So you've got to really tilt. All right, I am gonna start with the blue. Do some gold. Some red. Do some more blue. Some red. It's been my experience so far in trying these that the gold really pops up more so than some of these other colors. I don't know why. So I am going to use less gold. All right, let's give this a torch. I've zoomed you out, that way you can see all the tilting. I'm gonna pour this black in the middle and then I'm immediately pick up and start tilting. Around.
To hold me, it could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Go up that corner.
A whole lot better. Wasted, thinking about you all the time like crazy. Knowing you're here by my side, and I was doing fine on my own.
All right, things are happening now. So we're starting to see cells really activate now, so maybe I got this right. I don't know, we'll torch. Okay, I'm gonna leave this be. I'm just gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna come back in about 30 minutes. See what I end up with. Okay, this is literally 3 minutes later. I just went into my bathroom to clean up my materials, my hands, came back. This is what we've got so far. So I'm gonna let it keep developing. Torch it one more time. Leave it there. This is literally 6 minutes later to the dot. 6 minutes. All right, this is 30 minutes later. This is so cool. It looks like a hand with little fingers up there at the top left-hand side. At least that's what I think it looks like. Let me bring you in. I'm so happy with this. All right, I'll let you see it dry in a few minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the dried result. This really came out pretty cool. I kind of see a hand there in the middle. For a first pour, trying to do this, on video, not bad. I was hoping to get a lot bigger cells, but it happens. I don't know. I'm still playing with mixtures and got to figure out the tilting technique, but overall, I'm still happy with it. So I'll stick a coat of Liquitex gloss varnish on it. So, but I'll bring you in. Okay everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. So this was the first video I did doing the pearl pour. So I still have a lot to learn. I'm still playing with the mixtures, but overall, I got the pearls that I wanted. It dried nice. So I will put some varnish on it so that way it makes it nice and bright again, but you can see it there. Very happy. I was really hoping to get a lot of those big boulder cells, kind of like that you see on a lot of people where it all closes up, but that's okay. I kind of see like maybe a hand. There's some fingers. happening. That's part of the hand. I don't know. Guess you got to see what you want to see. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for this Friday night video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, we have our Earth Day pour happening next Friday, April 22nd. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you set all your alerts because there's going to be a lot of great artists. Okay, I'll see everybody on Sunday. It's going to be Easter. Easter. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a live premiere or if I'm just going to have it posted and it'll still premiere. I just won't be there. I have a Easter brunch to go to and the time has not yet been set. So either I'll be there live or I won't be. But either way, I will have a video posted for Sunday. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Either way, take care. Bye-bye.
You make me a whole lot better.